A few months back, I read this quote, and ever since then, it has stuck with me. The quote goes, "How silly of me to forget that I am not a human experiencing spiritual experiences, but a spirit having human experiences." It has just stuck with me so beautifully because when I read that, it made me feel that there is something so much bigger than just us having these daily problems, than just having anything that has to do with this human life. There is something so much bigger than this. When we think about us as a spirit and we think about us as a soul, not just this human body or this human life, there's so much to understand, there's so much to know about our own selves, our own soul. It's not merely that you had come here to get that job or you had come here to do that in your life. When we say that, what is my purpose in this lifetime, it is because your soul already has done some things. Your soul is already moving towards a certain direction, and this lifetime is like a channel to that direction, right? So when I thought of it, one thing that happened very rapidly for me is that I stopped taking everything personally. I didn't think that every delay that I was facing, I didn't think that every rejection that I faced, or anything that was not going my way, was because of me, or because people didn't like me, or I did something wrong. It gave me a sense of that maybe this is what is something that will help my soul learn what it has come here for. Not merely just questioning what do I do to earn, what do I do to fulfill my dreams. That's great, but every time you do not understand that why things are happening for you, which happens with all of us, we tend to question and look down on ourselves a lot rather than having a bigger question or a bigger picture in front of us. But when we realize this, that we are just mere spirits or souls having this human experiences, having an experience in this lifetime, everything feels like everything is happening for you, not to you, but for you. You feel like, I did not get into this job, and I got into this job even though it is worse than that, because maybe I had to learn some things that my soul didn't learn in all these lifetimes. Or maybe there is something that I need to go forward to. There is a soul mission of myself or purpose of mine in this lifetime or some future lifetimes that I need to reach to, where I had to learn this. I'll explain to you this with an example. Say for example, you try to get a job for a particular role, and you were great at what you were doing when you just graduated, or when basically when you were training, you were great at it. Suddenly when you try to go and find a job, you're not getting a single job in all the good companies, in all the good places, and people who were even not so great got there. You are somewhere stuck in a place where you took a job because you need to make a living out of it, or because you did it, you learned those things to get a job, but now the place has become so toxic for you. The place has become so not so satisfying. More than toxic, I would word it as not so satisfying for you, that you just want to get out of it, but somehow you're not able to do it. Somehow, I don't know for what reasons, you're just not able to do it. After a certain point, you cannot just find reasons to go away from it. Because if you can, or if you could have, you would have already done it by now, because that's not something that you're happy with, right? But for whatever reasons you are not getting out of it, you need to learn how to do that. Maybe your lesson is just to learn how to say no to things, or how to just get out of those places, because every time or wherever your soul is leading to, you might have to face the situations again and again. So maybe that situation is making you learn that. I'm not promoting any toxic behaviors or toxic environment or none of that, or I'm not asking you to just shut up and just deal with whatever is going wrong around with you. No. But at times when you feel that, why the hell is this happening to me? Maybe this is the reason. Maybe this is why it's happening for you. And this is not something anyone will come and tell you. And honestly, after a certain point, there comes A point where nobody will tell you ever that why things are happening to you. You will get some reasons, some logical reasons from people around you. They will try to make you understand, they will try to motivate you or soothe you, or you would also do that to yourself. But there would be something in your heart telling you no, but it's not because of this, it's just that I don't like it, or this is not the reason why this all is happening. So maybe the reason is you need to learn the lesson of what is bothering you and go ahead with it. By the way, this was just an example. But if your spirit is going towards something, or it has a direction towards something, then that direction will have certain situations in its journey where you will have to do some things to go and reach that place where you want to go. Now, when you think about it, this lifetime is just a small part of your soul's journey. So, do you really think you need to take everything so personally in this lifetime itself for you? Do you think that's necessary? And also, I'm not telling that don't take your life seriously. I'm not telling that. You got to do some things. You have some ambitions, you have some things that you want to achieve in life, which you should do, which is great. But that does not mean that you absolutely drown yourself into mundane things. Realization of that soul is bigger than this human life and experience is very, very important to me personally. And it also makes your life feel a little easier.